Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in this video, I will show you important things you need to turn on in order to keep your PC up to date without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here on your Windows Start menu right here. Right click on it. Then make sure you go ahead and click on Settings. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to Update and Security right here. Click on that. So next thing you want to do is to make sure you scroll down right here. Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Here we go. Be among the first to get the latest non-security update fix and improvements as they roll out. What you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply turn on this particular button right here. Once you turn on this particular button, you'll be the first among people that will have access to latest update about Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.